The drone world is buzzing with excitement again. And this time, all eyes are on the rumored DJI Neo 2. The anticipation really took off when trusted drone leaker Jasper Ellens, who's known for accurately revealing info about DJI's previous models like the Air 3S, original Neo, and Goggles N3, quietly suggested a possible late 2025 release. When Jasper speaks, the drone community listens. Meanwhile, DJI has just launched the DJI Flip, making waves with its innovative design and fresh set of features. But even with the Flip in the spotlight, many drone enthusiasts are already looking ahead, wondering what DJI's next move will be. The big question now is, should you go for the current DJI Neo or wait for the Neo 2? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what the current DJI Neo has to offer. This compact, lightweight drone is tailored for beginners, casual flyers, and creators who want high-quality aerial footage without the hassle of carrying a large setup. Despite its small frame, it packs a serious punch. The DJI Neo features a one-axis stabilized camera with a half-inch sensor, delivering crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. You can control it through the DJI Fly app or even use voice commands, great for creators on the move. One of its standout features is AI-powered tracking. With smart tracking, the Neo can autonomously follow a subject, keeping them perfectly framed. Direction tracking lets it fly backward while still locking on to the subject, perfect for cinematic reveals or dynamic action shots. Thanks to DJI's built-in stabilization technologies like Rocksteady and Horizon Steady, even high-motion footage looks smooth and polished. For content creators, the Neo adds thoughtful touches like capturing live voice narration through your phone's mic. The app even filters out propeller noise so your audio stays clean. Flying is intuitive and safe. You can control the Neo using your smartphone from up to 164 feet away. If you want more precision, DJI offers optional controllers like the RC N3 and RC Motion 3. Built-in propeller guards minimize mishaps, and with level 4 wind resistance, the drone can hold steady in breezy conditions. Worried about losing the drone or running out of battery? The Neo is equipped with automatic return-to-home safety features for peace of mind. It can also capture 12-megapixel stills and includes 22 gigabytes of internal storage, enough for about 40 minutes of 4K video. With an 18-minute flight time, it's well-suited for quick shoots and creative sessions. So, what could the DJI Neo 2 potentially bring? While official specs are still under wraps, DJI is known for meaningful upgrades with each new generation. Rumors suggest the Neo 2 could feature a more advanced camera system, longer battery life, and even smarter AI-powered tracking. One major expected improvement is obstacle avoidance. The current Neo doesn't have any, but the Neo 2 might introduce omnidirectional sensors, drastically improving flight safety, especially in tight or complex spaces. Battery life is another likely area for enhancement. A longer flight time would offer creators and hobbyists more freedom to capture the perfect shot without needing to land and recharge so often. If these upgrades come to life, the Neo 2 could be an even more compelling option, not just for newcomers, but also for experienced drone users looking for a lightweight yet capable device. That said, it's worth remembering that new features sometimes bring only incremental changes. If you're eager to start shooting aerial content right now, the current DJI Neo is still a fantastic and reliable choice. It's smart, stable, and ready to go right out of the box. Whether you decide to grab the current DJI Neo or wait patiently for the Neo 2, one thing is clear: it's a great time to be part of the drone community. DJI continues to innovate, and the excitement around their upcoming releases keeps things thrilling. So, what's your move? Fly now or wait for what's next? At Technify, we'll be watching closely for every update, leak, and reveal. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay locked in for the latest news in drone tech, camera gear, and creator tools. Until next time, keep creating, keep flying, and stay ahead of the curve with Technify.